there you are. Here I am. We've got just a couple small things today. I thought I would check in. Not a lot happening in the garage, but on the channel, we got a lot going on. So let's get into it. The first thing is center caps. Since we got these MPARs on here, one thing that's been driving me nuts is these. These here, these knockoff, junky, perfectly smooth, generic junks that were on the car, driving me nuts with their little plastic lip and their lack of any kind of embossing at all. But the ultimate crime was that the BMW needs to line up with the M logo on the wheel. So I'd come out, I'd get these things popped off, realign them, get them all sorted, go out for a drive, come back, and they will have been slightly askew. Tired of that crap. Didn't want to repeat the mistake of having that kind of junk on my car. And also, they just didn't look right. Enter the actual proper embossed BMW roundel with an actual BMW part number on the back. This being embossed, being metal, this just feels like it weighs twice as much. It feels substantial. And it just has this nice little round off, no weird little plastic lip. So it looks like a slight chrome accented piece when it's put into place. Anyway, so let me grab the other camera and we'll get these things put on. So really that's it for like the car related stuff, but let's talk about the channel. I have been actually very busy writing. I've been putting together episodes with various different stories because there are some things that just don't lend themselves well to me just babbling into the camera. And honestly, I want the challenge. I've kind of let not writing hold me back in a bunch of creative things, and so I wanted to finally just push into that, push myself out of my comfort zone and get that done. I probably should put a little more energy into it, but you know, you do what you do. So that is that. That's where we're at. That's what's going on. I'm glad that you tuned into this video. I'll see you on the next one. I may squeeze in just a little more of this format. I'm going to switch production up and lean in a little deeper. So look forward to that. Thanks for tuning in. I think we're almost to 300 viewers. I gotta say, thank you all. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't already, please do. This is gonna be a great ride. You're gonna be able to say that you were here first and that you saw all this happen, because I'm putting in work. Later. Should always get one of these. Yeah, boy.